Dito ba tayo sa baba, be? Mag-ano muna ako. Wait. Pwede rin pala doon. Pwede rin pala doon. Sky Bridge, Tonomina Medical Center, Sky Bridge. Sky Bridge. Ang linis ng hospital nila, no? Wala nang ilaw. Dapat ilawan nila yan. Ang ganda.
24 hours.
Ganda.
Pero ano lang kasi dito din.
Thanks. Dito tayo sa Sky Bridge, Novena. Yan. Sky Bridge. Nasa Sky Bridge tayo, guys. Yan, tayo, Sky Bridge. Ayun si Nisa. Video din si Nisa. Naulan kasi, guys. Yan, naulan. Sky Bridge, Novena Center. Bottom slim. Ayan, kung gusto nyo. Dito ba tayo? Ay, oo nga. Ay, dito, be, oh, mayroon din.
Tayo na daan.
Wala na, empty na. Oh! Empty na, guys. Wala. Magsasarado na yung mall. Ba't anong oras ba sila nagsasarado? Ha? Baka... Oh.
Thank you.
Jollibee kayo? Join ka ba? Jollibee ka ba? Join kayo? Jollibee ka ba? Join kayo. Dito na kami, guys. Yan. Spicy Jollibee Spaghetti. Like, don't tell me. Oy. Baka kukuha na naman si Nisa ng Dunkin. Don't tell me, Nisa. Wow, they still here. Asan yung isa? Asan si ano? Mag-isa na niya. Hindi, yung isa niyang kasama. Wala na. Hussein, you still here? Wow! Heaven, where's the other one? Where's your friend? You eat already, ah? Okay. Ay, bibili pala ako ng Colgate. Ay, magsasarado na. Hello guys, dito tayo sa Cantoxin Hospital. Celebrate 183 years of care. Yan. Kaya may heart sila. Heart. Ang ganda. Ito yung Cantoxin guys. So, isang famous na hospital dito sa Singapore. Ang ganda ng pagkagawa ng heart. Siguro, heartstring is a dynamic na sabi nila dito, inspired by the concept of the Mobius strip which symbolize an unbroken, ever evolving narrative. This heart structure holds approximately 9,000 meters of various fabric braided together and lovingly contributed by staff and the community by including our patient. A special top hospital scrub, dark blue and wired curtain, pastel pink and green, repurposed and braided into the collective artwork. Take a closer look. You can find it in the thickest braid intertwined across the installation. This page reflects colors of our new identity as a part of one and a few shades of blue, teal gray, and accents of red. Putting the heart in the heartstring, the Cantoxin staff came together to adopt a tag pin on the braids and raise close to $7,000 in donation, supporting on our patient in need. Oh, yan pala. Gawa pala nila yon guys. Ng mga pasyente at mga staff dito sa Singapore. Ang ganda. Ang ganda siya. ano. Ay, ang sarap siguro pag ano, maraming bawang. Alam mo ba yung stew? Pig stew ata.
Open mo na yung ano, wifi.
Wow, sarap. Yummy! Masarap to order ni Mika. Pasaway. Order ni Misa. Hindi, kasi gusto ko yan. Paborito ko to kasi eh. Itong salted kiam chai. Adapt the Chinese food. Tachu. Yeah.
Baboy.
Baboy.
Yeah.
Baboy.